Guys, it's Joe here at Jordan Bikes and welcome to the video of this beautiful 2022 22 plate Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R. This one's only done 1,161 miles from new. It's a slightly newer shape and I think they look unreal. The front end of them is gorgeous. And what Kawasaki did as well, because they didn't want to put the big fins on, they made the headlights different. So this obviously is like your wings here to keep obviously all that 200 brake horsepower on the floor. All LED lights, big piston Showa manual adjustable suspension, Brembo brakes, Ohlins steering damper. This one's fitted with the Akrapovic GP little small exhaust, which sounds fantastic. So rewind and have a listen to that. It's got a tail tidy, it's got the seat cowl, it's got R&G protection on the side, R&G protection at the bottom of the forks, got some paddock stand bobbins. And the spec on these is brilliant. So full colour TFT display, different power modes, adjustable traction, adjustable ABS. You get cruise control as well now, quickshifter, autoblipper, all standard. And I think the colour of it is gorgeous. Love the black, love the grey, and love the green pinstriping going through it. It's a stunning bike, super low mileage. If you do want to get it bought, be quick because bikes like this are selling fast. Get yourself down to Jordan Bikes or give us a call. Thanks for watching.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.